You're watching Tap Tech, the channel where we don't just list specs, we talk about what the device is like to actually live with. And today, it's the ASUS TUF Gaming A14, a 14-inch gaming laptop that tries to pack desktop-class power into a portable, battle-ready shell. This isn't just a spec sheet exercise. It's a machine built for people who want to game anywhere, without worrying about babying their gear. Gaming on the A14 feels shockingly smooth for its size. It's powered by AMD's latest Ryzen 98945HS processor, paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU. It's running up to 10R West with dynamic boost. That means you can push modern AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing enabled and still get playable frame rates. Or crank up esports titles like Valorant and Apex Legends and easily hit the 165Hz refresh rate. ASUS's updated ArcFlow fans with 84 blades each. It's combined with liquid metal cooling on the CPU and a dual-vent exhaust design. Keep performance consistent without the thermal throttling you sometimes see in smaller laptops. Even after marathon gaming sessions, temps remain stable. And fan noise is noticeable, but not overwhelming. The display is one of the best features here. A 14-inch WQHD Plus panel with a 2560 by 1600 resolution, 165Hz refresh rate, 3 milliseconds response time, and adaptive sync support. It's Pantone validated for color accuracy, covers 100% of the DCI-P3 gamut, and gets bright enough for outdoor or brightly lit indoor environments. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you a little extra vertical space for both games and productivity. And slim bezels make it feel more immersive. Build quality follows the TUF tradition, rugged. Military-grade Millis TD810H certification that can handle shocks, drops, and temperature extremes. The chassis is a blend of aluminum and reinforced polycarbonate, giving it durability without making it. It's too heavy at 1.65 kilograms. It's portable enough for travel, but still feels like it can take a few knocks in a backpack. The keyboard is full-sized, with a comfortable 1.7 millimeters travel. RGB backlighting that you can customize through Armory Crate, and highlighted WASD keys for gaming. The large glass trackpad is smooth and precise, though you'll probably plug in a mouse for serious gaming. Performance outside of gaming is equally strong, thanks to the Ryzen 9-chip and up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, clocked at 6400 MHz. Storage is handled by a fast PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, the option's up to 1 terabyte, and there's a second M to slot if you want to expand later. Windows 11 runs snappy, multitasking is effortless, and creative workloads like 4K, video editing, or 3D rendering run without slowdowns. Battery life is surprisingly decent for a gaming laptop. Up to 8 hours for light use like web browsing or streaming, and around 2 to 3 hours for heavy gaming on battery. It supports 90 West USB-C charging for on-the-go top-ups, though you'll need the 200 West power brick for peak gaming performance. Audio comes from dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support. It's delivering clear mids and highs with some bass presence. But, like most gaming laptops, a headset will give you the best experience. Connectivity is well-rounded. 2 USB-C ports, one with DisplayPort 1.4, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, a headphone jack, and Wi-Fi 6E. ADIA. For low-latency online gaming, the Armory Crate software is still one of ASUS's strong points. It lets you fine-tune fan curves, switch between performance modes, adjust RGB, and monitor system temps in real time. You can also use MUX, Switch, and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus to dynamically toggle between the iGPU and DGPU for performance or battery savings. In terms of value, the ASUS TUF Gaming A14 offers a lot: portability, durability, and serious gaming. Horsepower without the premium price tag of flagship 14-inch. Laptops like the Zephyrus G14 or Razer Blade, you're getting a QHD plus 165Hz display, a powerful Ryzen CPU, RTX 40 series graphics, fast storage, and a chassis built to last years. Yes, the speakers are fine, but not amazing. And under heavy load, the fans make their presence known, but those are small trade-offs for what you're getting. If you want a gaming laptop that's compact enough to carry every day, tough enough to handle real-world abuse and powerful enough to run both competitive and AAA titles at high settings. The ASUS TUF Gaming A14 should absolutely be on your shortlist. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we keep the focus on the experience, not the marketing fluff.